Hey guys, it's Mr. Lazardic here, and I'm in my room with the mess that we call the Rube Goldberg Machine. This is the stuff we've been doing over the last couple days, about a day and a half, and I thought I would use this homework assignment to just take a second and talk about what we're doing and what we can do to improve our Rube Goldberg Machine and make it really one of the coolest things out there. So I'm going to give you a quick little tour around the room, and what I want you to think about is your part, the part that you're responsible for in this Rube Goldberg Machine, and I want you to talk about what you're doing, okay, and then maybe what you can do to make it better, to make it a little bit more sound, to make it repetitive so that we can hit this thing, 20 times, and every time it will work, okay? So here we go. I'm going to run through it quickly. Bear with me here. So we start up here, a ball rolls down and actually hits, and again, this isn't all put together, but it hits a tennis ball here that rolls around, knocking over this cup. This cup pulls a ruler out from over here that then drops a golf ball. The golf ball drops down here, and you can see things are starting to fall a little bit, but that's okay. We can always come back in and fix those things. But they are things you want to identify in your homework. So anything that looks like it needs to be repaired, please write about that. The golf ball will knock this weight off. The weight will turn on the sink, filling this cup up with water. That will then pull this piece of tape out from this piece of PVC, releasing marbles down here. The marbles will roll this way, hopefully fill this cup up. That will then make this more massive and pull on the sink to fill this up. That will then raise this meter stick that will cause the ball to roll down this way. Here it's kind of in a little bit of shambles over here now, but the ball will roll into a cup, then starting a chain of events that will end up knocking these books in domino fashion over. That will drop a weight over here that will pull a meter stick. The meter stick will then pull a gate here that will cause a marble to roll down here, knock dominoes down. The dominoes will knock down a weight. The weight will pull a string that's on a pulley. The pulley will lift up this gate, dropping a ball down this way. That will go this way, end up hitting scissors that will knock down, that will release this car. The car will go down this way. The car will hit a weight off the end of this table. That weight will pull down and release a ball rolling down this series of tubing, and then fall onto, hit a weight off there that will release a gate up here. That gate will release a marble. The marble will fly down this tubing, and it will hit the cheese on this catapult that will then fling a marble this way. The marble will hit this target, releasing a marble that will go down this, and you can see this has fallen a little bit over here. The marble will go down this tubing over this way. Then we have something going on here. This is an area where we need to kind of figure out what we're going to do. Something's going to go down here, hit a meter stick. That's going to release a soccer ball from up here. It's going to go around in tetherball fashion, and then start something which will cause something to go over here, and then finally take a picture from about this location. Okay? So that's our project. That's what we want to do. That's what we want to do by Thursday. Okay, and that's the last day we have. So what I want you to do is use this blog as a time to reflect about what's going on, okay, what type of energy is involved in your portion of the Rube Goldberg Machine, what type of work and simple machines are involved in your machine, okay, and you're part of the machine. So do that, and then we'll talk on Thursday, and we'll make this Rube Goldberg Machine the best one that any class has ever made. I'll talk to you then.